Babe! Why you ain't got that? Go ahead. Answer the phone, Epper.
To the App Store, find Garage Ringtones for iPhone. Click on TikTok, go to any video you want. I clicked on this one, press share and save the video. After that, go back to the app, go to your video library and click on the video that you just saved. Crop it, do whatever you want. Press set ringtone, click on GarageBand, long press the video you just saved, press share, click on ringtone, click export, click OK. Then it's going to ask you to set the ringtone. Use sound as standard ringtone.
They go ahead.
All right, end it.